I want to be the one giving it to them.
Here's your
You
ex.
know what I'm saying?
What do you mean?
I want to be
Why
the
are they
man in the
doing?
relationship.
The leaderboard still remained the same as the fight was deemed a draw. But the
Why are you laughing?
You got to
Ew.
take a little bit, Rogas. Rogas had good defence and was
What's
able
up with
to
that
push
one?
Jeff Chan away a little
Nothing's
bit.
up with
Jeff
it.
Chan clearly
Yes.
scored a lot more punches.
could still
What are you fucking doing? Ah! You fucking... Ah! And you wanted me to put that in my fucking mouth? Oh, it stinks.
You got sleep in the bed.
What? Oh, what are you doing, bro?
What happened?
Ah, smashed me back off there. Your man fucking blew up an egg on my face.
No.
How have you even done that?
Yeah, sected really.